Now CIGMAN got in touch and said, Justin, please can you review our laser distance meter? So I said, all right then, check it out. So it comes very neatly packaged in this well protective box, and we open it up and you've got a little fabric carry case, no belt hook or loop. That probably would have been a nice touch, so then you can keep it on you. Otherwise, without it, you've just got to keep it in your pocket, and that's going to stick out like a sore thumb. Open it up, and there it is. There's the meter. It's got this nice bright orange around the face, so I guess you're going to be able to find it relatively easy, but it does come with a lanyard, so you can put the lanyard on and maybe hang that from your trousers. You also get the USB charger. It is a Type C USB charger, just like pretty much anything these days. So the case, the charger, cable, the lanyard, and the measurer itself. So let's zoom in on this and take a closer look. Don't forget the user manual, and it's actually pretty good. So let's start by turning it on. Nice color display, push the function button, and we've got length measurer, we've got area, we've got volume, we've got angulation, we've got level, angle, and also bubble level, tape measure, indoor, outdoor setting, just changes the brightness of the screen, and then the settings, and then we're back to measuring. So I'll show you how a couple of the functions work in a moment, but what I'd like to do just to start with is to show you this one in particular. So if we press set on there, and you've actually got this bubble level, so you can actually sit it flat and it's going to tell you whether it's exactly flat or not. You've got X and Y axis here in degrees, indicating whether the meter is sitting completely flat. So on the top here, this is the measurer, the laser. You've also got the USB port just there, if you can just about see that. Just got that little rubber bit which keeps that nice and clean. And there we go, a little bit of information, technical information on the back there for you geeks. Now I know there's a lot of you out there, including myself, that will kind of look at a user manual and sort of think, nah, not going to bother with that. But actually this is really helpful. It's got some really easy to follow instructions on how to use it, lots of images, lots of pictures, and it's probably one of the easiest and most detailed instruction user manuals I've seen before. So we'll turn it back on and we'll have a look at the angle finder. So we'll go along to angle, and straight away you can see that my bench is not level. It's only 0.3 of a degree though, it's not much, you're hardly going to see it. And I have got adjustable feet on it if I do want to adjust it. But as you can see, look, it's absolutely minimal. But if I turn the meter, so 45 degrees, and then nearly 90 degrees. So that's really nice. This is going to come in really handy on a table saw, for example. I know a lot of people use this kind of thing on a table saw. Even setting up and calibrating your miter saw, that might come in really handy. Get this completely level, and you know this is going to be 90 degrees as well. So yeah, nice. Next up, we will measure a distance. So let's change that to, there we go, we'll get there eventually. Right, we're on measure. So if I turn it that way, there we go. So you can see the laser dot. The screen is rotated and we push measure 746. So we've got a tape measure function, and what that will do is actually just give you the scale of centimeters. So the laser beam is constantly over there, and then as I move that, the distance changes. If I turn it up there, you'll see the height from the bench to the ceiling of the workshop. Now this little book is packed with information about this laser meter, but I will just say that the measuring range for this is 0.05 to 80 meters. So that's something like 50 millimeters to 80,000 millimeters. Yeah, that's right. Now I don't think it matters what trade you're in, at some point you're going to need something like this. I can't see me using this every day, but it's going to be one of those tools that I keep in the van and think, do you know what I need right now? Do you know what's going to get me out of trouble? The old CIGMAN laser meter. Now if you want to get your hands on one of these, and I reckon you might just want to, there are a couple of options. You can go to the CIGMAN official site, details in the description box down below, but there if you type in JBJ05 you're going to get a whacking 32% discount with no expiry date, which is pretty cool. So you can go anytime you like and you're going to get it. The second way you can do it, you can go to Amazon, you can follow my affiliate link down below as well. So it's entirely up to you. So there you go, CIGMAN laser distance meter, CD-80. Go and get one. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you on the next video.